Today I'm going to use a prompt as an example to demonstrate the process of research. The prompt says that the research paper needs to be approximately 10 to 12 pages in length and involves identifying and defining some aspect of college student success, including a historical aspect. It asks the students to develop a research question and supplement it with scholarly and primary sources. The steps of pre-research includes identify what you already know about this topic, identify key terms or themes, search background information for these terms and themes on Wikipedia, and write a research question based off new knowledge. I already knew that GPA is a quantitative measure of a student's academic success. My key terms include student success and higher education, and my initial research question was, how is college student success defined currently and historically? The steps of developing a research question includes identify main concepts, list synonyms, related terms, or alternative terms. After pre-research, identify new key terms or themes. Narrow down from a broader question. A research question usually starts with how or why and takes multiple sources of information to answer. I listed academic success and GPA for student success, and college education and university for higher education. My new key terms are academic background, retention rate, socioeconomic status, or SES. And my final research question was, how does a student's family socioeconomic status impact his or her academic success in higher education in present and in history? There are three types of sources. Primary source. There are three different types of sources. Primary source, secondary source, and the statistical source. The next step is to evaluate sources using JAMA, which stands for date, relevance, accuracy, motivation, and authority. Date refers to publication date. Relevance refers to relevance to research question or topic. Accuracy refers to if there are any grammar mistakes and a list of references. And motivation refers to purpose of this source. If it's to gain popularity or is it founded by someone. And authority refers to author's credentials to talk on this topic. For the sources that I identified inappropriate to use after evaluation, I found new appropriate sources to replace them. There are some search operators I found really useful to search on Google, such as and, or, and not. And is the default, or will return either term. In the example of not, animal space dash cat will return results for animal without key term cat. If you're searching for an exact phrase, simply put quotation marks around the phrase. You can also use multiple search operators to group the terms.